Good morning, children. Welcome to our general knowledge class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, India's superlatives. Children, superlative means some important landmarks in India that has significance in our history and our present. Children, do you know the longest river in India? Yes, the Ganga, which flows south and east from the Himalayas. It is also known as Ganges River. Longest road in India. National Highway 44. It is the longest national highway in India with a length of 3,745 km running from Srinagar in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. Fastest train in India. Vande Bharat Express. It is also known as Train 18. It has maximum reached speeds of 180 km per hour. It has several unique features like bio-vacuum toilets, Wi-Fi on board, fully automatic doors, etc. Smallest state in India, Goa. It is a state on the southwestern coast of India. The capital of Goa is Panji. Goa is famous for its white sand beaches. Largest residence of the head of India. Residence means the place where someone lives. Children, do you know who is the head of India? Yes, President is the head of India. So, the largest residence of the head of India is Rashtrapati Bhavan and it is in New Delhi. The most populous city in India is Mumbai. It is located on the western coast of India. Largest desert in India. Thar Desert is the largest desert in India. It is also known as the Great Indian Desert. It is located partly in Rajasthan state, northwestern India, and partly in Punjab and Sindh provinces, and in eastern Pakistan. Highest mountain peak in India, Kanchenjunga. It is a part of the Great Himalaya range. It is about 8,586 meters height. Now children, open your GK book, page number 13 and complete the exercise. That's all for today. Thank you. Welcome to our general knowledge class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, Our Heritage, the Monuments of India. Heritage means the traditions, qualities and culture of a country that have existed for a long time and that have great importance for the country. Let's learn some of these monuments which are a vital part of the culture heritage of India. Virupaksha Temple. It is located in the state Karnataka. The temple is dedicated to Lord Virupaksha, a form of Shiva. Lion capital of Ashoka. It was adopted as the national emblem of India in 1950. It is located in the state Uttar Pradesh. Sanchi Stupa. It is located in the state Madhya Pradesh. Children, you know Sanchi Stupa is depicted on the reverse side of the Indian currency note of rupees 200 to signify its importance to Indian culture heritage. Humayun's tomb. It is in Delhi. This tomb was built in 1570. It is a particular cultural significance as it was the first garden tomb on the Indian subcontinent. Tughlaqabad Fort. It was built by Ghiyas-ud-Din Tughlaq in 1321. He was the founder of Tughlaq dynasty of the Delhi Sultanate of India. It is in Delhi. Vihadeshwara Temple. It is a Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Shiva, located in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. It is one of the largest temples in India built in the Chola period. Panch Mahal. The Panch Mahal means five-level palace, was commenced by Akbar. It is in Uttar Pradesh. Red Fort. It is a monument of national significance. Every year on India's Independence Day, 15th August, the Prime Minister of India hoists the country's flag at the Red Fort. It is in Delhi. Taj Mahal. It is located in the state Uttar Pradesh. Taj Mahal is a symbol of love. It was built by the emperor of the Mughal dynasty, Shah Jahan, in the memory of his wife Mumtaz. Now children, open your GK book, page number 14 and complete the exercise. That's all for today. Thank you. Welcome to our general knowledge class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, Dances of India. Dances of India involve graceful movements of the body and feet. Regional dances represent the culture of their states in a unique way. Now let's learn some of the dance forms of different states. The dance form of Uttar Pradesh is Kathak. The dance form of Punjab is Bhangra. The dance form of Gujarat is Garba. Kathakali is the dance form of Kerala. Odissi is the dance form of Odisha. Bharatnatyam is the dance form of Tamil Nadu. Manipuri is the dance form of Manipur. And Bihu is the dance form of Assam. Now children, open your GK book, page number 15 and complete the exercise. That's all for today. Thank you.